Hi guys, today I'll give you lessons about how to make coffee. My sister is going to cook today, so I'll record her cooking, but for me, I just came back from walking outside, so it's time for coffee. So let me show you how to make some super good coffee. So okay, I have here my nespresso machine, and with the nespresso machine I'll make some espresso first, and then with this thing here I'll make the foam, and then there it is, super coffee. Snima se. So here I just push a button. And here it is. Oi. Coffee time. My coffee is ready. Cheers. The best. Well, that's
Really a good guy or a bad guy?
He's like